Hey besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm so excited to sit down and make some fun bracelets with you guys. These are some of the most popular videos on my channel, so I thought it'd be so much fun to share another bracelet making video with you, but with my new at night aesthetic. So I have a whole separate channel called Kellyprepster Studio. I will insert a card in case you want to check it out, where I make these videos 2 to 3 times a week, and I've recently started doing them at night. It is currently 11:50 p.m. and it is late. It's dark outside, and I have on the purple lights, my star projector. I'm going to show you guys everything because it's so stinking cute, but it's just a really fun, calm aesthetic, fun, chill video. So if you guys like making bracelets, get your bead supplies out and we can make some bracelets together. I wanted to share that I'm going to be hosting a giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. And secondly, if you guys are watching this video the day of the release on Memorial Day, May 29th, 2023, I'm having a flash sale for today only till midnight, where everything on my site is 50% off. This sale is only happening twice this year, today and on Black Friday. So if you have anything that you want to shop from kellyprepsterstudio.com, which is always linked down below in the description box, be sure to go check it out because I only have a few of everything left and I really do think it's gonna sell out. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me show you guys how cute my night aesthetic looks. Alright, so I have my salt lamp and then my little rainbow light on my desk. It's so cute. And then I have my vanity mirror lit up and my little photo lamp. I have some Amazon packages because I am doing a bead haul on my second channel later this week. I have this super cute little star projector. So this is from Amazon. I got it for Christmas, and you guys, look how fun it is on the ceiling. It projects all these little stars in a little galaxy. I have my XOXO neon sign, and then the lamps next to my bed are purple. And then over here I have another photo. I even lit a candle. You guys, it smells so good. This is from a little local boutique. It's called Kitten and it smells really good. I wasn't kidding. It's almost midnight. I am staying up so late to film this. I put a pink aura from YouTube on our TV, some twinkly lights, and my pink heart neon sign. I do have a little bit of a ring light just so you guys can see my desk when I'm making bracelets, but that is the at night aesthetic. I'm currently drinking a 7-Up caffeine-free zero sugar with my little stony clover straw. And we're gonna need some scissors for these bracelets. We're also gonna need some pony beads. These are my favorite. These are what started my channel and they're just so cute. So this is my favorite kit. It is, oh my gosh, this is really gonna bother me. This is the regular color, I guess. It's got like sparkly neon and metallic. And then I have the pastel one, and then I also have this darker one. I don't really use it that often. It's really pretty in the fall and winter. So we're gonna start off with these, but we are going to need some elastic, and this is from the brand Go Create from Walmart. I love it. I put my own Kellyprepster Studio sticker on the top of this. This is for sale on my website. I just think it makes it so fun and so personalized, so we're definitely gonna need this. I'm gonna put that over here, and of course, make it extra fun, we'll come back to this one. Getting it out though. We are gonna need some alphabet beads, and you guys, I love having these all organized. These are my alphabet beads. I have them all alphabetized. These containers you can buy at Hobby Lobby online, but they were just old pony bead containers because I go through so many of these, and the beads are from Walmart. You can get them in a container like this, and they're not alphabetized. You gotta do the work, but so worth it because they're so fun to make some bracelets out of. But before we get making any bracelets, I do like to put some headphones on and listen to music or watch TV on Netflix or HBO Max, just because I like to be as quiet as possible so you guys can hear all the little clicky clacks of the beads. These videos I like to make really calm and relaxing for you guys, so I hope you like them. I am going to put on my beats. And I think today I'm going to listen to the Jonas Brothers new album. It's so good. If you guys are a Jonas Brothers fan, definitely check it out. But we are going to make 2 pony bead bracelets. I'm going to make one say Bestie and one say Preppy. I thought that was fitting for our channel. And then I'm going to show you guys some really fun ones to make as well with really fun and unique beads. So I'm going to put this on, get some music going, and pick out the letters, and I'll keep you guys updated along the way. Okay, so I spelled out Preppy and I spelled out Bestie with my alphabet beads. Now we are going to go in and pick out a color for each one of them. For Bestie, I think it would be so fun to make it like a purple color. I feel like this one's so beautiful. And for Preppy, I'm kind of feeling pink since my channel is all about my favorite color of pink fashion. So let's make it this neon pink. So I like to put these next to the word. I just find that this makes it really easy to remember what I'm doing. So I'm going to make Bestie first, then Preppy, and just kind of work this way. With my elastic, I like to keep it on my left side. I think it's just because I'm right-handed and I don't like to cut the string until I get all of the beads on. By the way, my tray is 7 inches across. You don't have to use a tray. I just find it to be the most helpful and I really like using it. It's just how I've always done it. So I'll show you guys all of the steps. Alright you guys, so we just got our first sale. It is $12.06 and 7 items sold. I'm listening to Luke Combs now. And how exciting is that? It's not focusing, but you guys can see the little Shopify notif. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Okay, back to beading. I just had to share this with you guys because I heard the little ka-ching in my headphones and then I realized you guys couldn't hear the ka-ching. Alright, so I finished up both of the pony beads. I think these are so cute and I love these colors together. They're so on brand. But we are done using my alphabet beads, so we are going to snap these up and I'm going to get another tray of beads out. This one is my favorite. Again, it's another container from all my pony beads and I found all of these fun little clay beads on Amazon. We're also going to use these new ones. I want to do a whole organization of my beads, so that's coming soon, but I need these and some gold ones. But you guys, I do have an Amazon storefront that I link as much as I can for my beads. Alright, so this is going to be my Aloha bracelet. I'm going to put a little gold bead in between each flower. This is one of my best sellers on Kellyprepster.com. These are new beads, both of these. And I'm going to make a star bracelet. This is honestly one of my favorites. I can't wait to see how it turns out. And then I'm going to do like pearl and gold beads in between these little rainbow hearts. Aren't these so cute? So we're going to make all 3 of these. I'm going to start with the Aloha, then the stars, then the hearts. Alright, so we have Bestie Preppy, my Aloha bracelet. This one turned out so cute, but this one is my favorite. It's the stars, and then we have these really cute little rainbow purple hearts with pearls and gold beads. So let me know in the comments down below which bracelet is your favorite. I seriously can't get over how cool it was getting a sale right in the middle of filming this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make bracelets. I would love it if you guys make bracelets with me when you watch these videos. Get all your bead supplies out, and it can be like we're FaceTiming one another making bracelets. But like I mentioned earlier, I am hosting a giveaway with a bracelet making starter kit. I am so excited. So I'm giving away my favorite elastic. This is from Walmart. It's the brand Go Create. It has over 300 feet of elastic in it. I'm going to put a custom Kellyprepster sticker on it just like mine, so you can have a one-of-a-kind elastic roll. This stuff is so amazing. You can make tons of bracelets out of it. I think I made over 100 plus with each roll. And I'm also going to be giving away a bag of alphabet beads, so you can make like your own name, you can make your school's name, your friends, whatever you want to write on it. I just think it's so much fun. And then of course my favorite bead kit ever. So this is the Bead Extravaganza kit. These pinks are my favorite. They always sell out, but this is what has started my bracelet business. So I wanted to make a little starter kit for one of you guys. So all you have to do is subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, and I will insert a card to my second one, Kellyprepster Studio, and follow both of my Instagrams, Kelly_Prepster and Kellyprepster Studio. I will have all of the details down below in the description box, but after that, just comment on this post so that I know you entered, and then also comment down below that you have entered so I can match up usernames and everything. But I'm so excited to get back to you guys because you guys bring me so much joy, and I would love for someone to get a bracelet starter kit. I just think it's such a fun idea. I want to start doing more giveaways and weekly sticker giveaways and everything, and weekly bracelet giveaways. So if you like that idea, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and again, if you like videos like this, you're definitely gonna like the videos on my second channel, so I hope you enter. It would seriously mean the world to me. And again, don't forget to check out that 50% off flash sale. It goes on until midnight if you're watching this the day of, and don't worry, there will be another sale on Black Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing, and I'll see you guys back here very soon with another new YouTube video. Bye guys.